dear 10th grade students, I wish you are all well today. Our lesson today is about language in Unit 6. Today we are going to talk about past simple. By the end of the lesson, students would be able to 1. Know the form of the simple past and past continuous. Number 2. Form sentences by using them. Past simple. We use the past simple to talk about a completed action before now. The form of the past simple is we add ed, d, or ied for regular verbs such as finish, finished, hate, hated, carry, carried. Here we have regular verbs ends with y. So we changed y into I and add ed. Irregular verbs don't take ed, d, or ied. For example, speak, spoke, catch, caught. The negative form of past simple. We use didn't to make the negative form of the past simple plus infinitive verb. Doctors didn't go to their homes because of COVID-19. Here we have the verb go and we have not. So, because the sentence in the past, we bring the verb did and put not, and the verb go stays as it is. Keywords: yesterday, ago, this morning, last week, last month, in plus date in the past. In the past. Examples. Number 1. In 1993, they received the Nobel Prize. Here the verb is receive, and we have n plus date in the past, so we use the simple past. The verb end with e, so only we add d. Number 2. Mary and Pierre married in 1895. The action happened in 1895 and this date was in the past, so we use simple past. The verb here is marry. So notice that the verb ends with y, so we change the y into I and add ed. Number 3. We didn't finish the report yesterday. Here we are talking about yesterday. Yesterday, a date in the past. And the verb here is finish. And before it we have not. So, to make this sentence negative, we bring did and the sentence becomes didn't finish. Now, let's move to talk about past continuous. The use of the past continuous. We use it for a continuing action that was happening at some point in the past. The rule for the past continuous is was or were plus verb ing. We use was if the subject is singular, such as I, he, she, it. And we use were plus verb ing if the subject is plural, such as you, we, and they. Keywords. When. Here we have two actions, and one action is in the past simple, while the other one is in the past continuous. So, when connects two actions, one happened in the past simple and the other one happened in the past continuous. For example, when I came home, it was raining heavily. Again, when I came, notice that with when we use the verb came, past simple. In the second sentence, we use past continuous, which is excellent, was plus ing. Was raining. The subject is it, it's singular, so we bring was and we add ing to the end of the verb. While as. One action is in the past continuous and the other one is in the past simple. When we use while or as, also we have two actions. The first action is with past continuous, but the second one is with past simple. For example, while she was driving, it rained heavily. Again, while she was driving, the subject is here, she, it's singular, so we use was. The verb drive ends with e, so we omit it and add ing to the verb. In the second sentence, it rained heavily. Here we use past simple. Past simple. Definite time in the past. When we have a definite time in the past, such as yesterday, I'm talking about yesterday, it's definite time. At this time, yesterday, at this time, I was cooking for my family. Again, we have yesterday and we have this time, definite time. We say or we use past continuous. The subject is I, and in the past, I takes singular verb, which is was, and the verb cook, we add to it ing. So, I was cooking for my family. Now, my dear students, let's together do this exercise. Complete the sentences with the correct verbs in brackets. Number 1. In 1893, I hard embarrassed all year. The verb here is study. Okay, excellent. We have in plus date in the past. So we use past simple. Bravo. So the verb study here ends with Y. So we change the Y into I and add ed. Bravo. Bravo, my students. Studied. Number 2, can you help me read this sentence together? Mary and Pierre, some important discoveries in 1898. The key words here is bravo in plus date in the past. And the verb is report. Report is very good, regular verb, so only we add bravo ed, reported. Reported. Okay, number 3. When Peter schooled to Scotland, all his friends leave cry. Here we have when, and as we said, we use simple past with when, and the simple past tense of leave is well done, my smart students. Left. Left. And the second action with when is in. Bravo, very good, with past continuous. So the verb will become all his friends. In past continuous, we have friends. It's a plural, so the verb will be were, and crying, we add excellent ing. While he at his office, somebody knocked on the door. Here we have while. With while, the first sentence will be excellent past continuous. We have he, and the rule is was or were plus ing. So, he is singular. We use was, and work becomes working. Well done, my clever students. Thank you for watching me today. See you again. Bye.